Hey guys, welcome to Akahilz. We're going to be looking at Pi. I'm going to be reviewing this video upload that we saw online as regards Pi. So it's currently rumored that Pi is a project that where you can mine cryptocurrency, mine Pi on a daily basis, 24-hour basis. But as of now, there's no value to Pi, and it's currently at the beginner stage, so it has not been listed, and you can't trade it now. So all you can do is download the application and start mining. But these are videos online as regards Pi in general, talking about the fact that Pi is now accessible in other parts of the country, like in China. So this particular video is showing a marketplace for Pi, where you can see there's iPhone 12 Pro Max for 10 Pi, then PiCon, okay. Then we also have lots of other stuff. So this is just like a Pi marketplace. So I think this is one of the reasons why you should want to join on this project, because it's currently in other parts of the country, like let's say in Nigeria, it's currently mainnet has not been launched. So this is just the updates we have here. The mainnet has not been launched. So there's a vehicle here that says it's going for about 20 Pi, but we cannot ascertain how possible this is, because people can easily mine this Pi, and the values given to these particular products here, they are kind of very small compared to what people can accumulate, because in a matter of about 10 days you can be able to accumulate these in less than a week. You can accumulate at least, let's say, about 10 to 100 Pi's. So meaning that if you have about 1000 Pi, you should be a billionaire, or I don't know, or a multi-millionaire. Okay, so guys, I'll be dropping a link to Pi in the description box. You can make more research to find out about the Pi project. You can make more research to find out about the Pi project. We just saw this upload, and we feel it's good, be useful for you guys to see. See it. You can see Pi chain here. We have Pi icon. Then this vehicle is Benz. I think it's Ultima going for 20 Pi's. So guys, before I go, I'm going to go show you our dashboard, so you understand how. Okay, let me pause this video. So aside this, guys, I'm going to be dropping links in the description box to CoinMarketCap, where you can get airdrops, as well as that of Remitano. Remitano is also launching their own token, where you can be able to mine it. For now, you can mine tokens on these two platforms, and you can redeem them for monetary value or monetary gains too. So I'm currently loading up this Pi. I think it's going to load up. Let's just wait a little bit. So guys, we are live here on this particular Pi application. You can see there's about 835 Pi, and it's currently mining. Click on the icon with the 1/4. You see number of people you've referred and your active and team. So guys, this is how it works. So I'll be dropping a link in the description box. You can read more about Pi if you don't know about Pi. But those people that know about Pi, that's a video upload that is talking about Pi being available in countries such as China. So one love, guys, peace out. Don't forget to subscribe. If I find more updates, I'll be dropping them on Pi, so you can be abreast with this project and know how possible it is to push through with it. One love, guys. Your back is. You can leave any comment in the comment section for questions. I'll be there to answer, and you also give this video a like if you find it helpful, and you can subscribe too, guys. One love.